welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 9 of recently launched Excel 2022 course. Focusing on XP22 Excel chapter 9 cumulative assessment tips. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course. I will provide you a plus grade. Step number 1 is about start Excel workbook. You can download your Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. You can see here. Okay, I have already downloaded. Now moving on to step number 2. Step number 2 is that group the Friday through Monday worksheet. Okay, go to Excel workbook. Group Friday through Monday worksheet. Friday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday, and Monday. Okay. First, we will group the sheets. Starting with the Friday worksheet, fill the format only the range E5 to E24. Okay. Starting with Friday worksheet. First, we will select these ranges E5 to E24. Then go to fill, go to home tab and across, fill across worksheet formats. Okay, it's done. I have done 2 questions. You can see. Now moving on to step number 3. Question number 3 is that now you want to insert column tables totals for 5 worksheet. With the worksheet still group, insert some function in the range B25 to E25 and apply the total cells tab. Basically, in this tab, we will have to apply a sum function in this range E20 to B25 to E25 and still worksheet is grouped. Okay, sum function is that is equal to sum, then this range is E5 to E24, B5 to B24, then press enter. Okay, totals will be found out. Then is equal to sum in C25 is a sum, then enter this ranges C5 to C24, then press enter. Okay, and it will be fine. Is equal to sum. Okay, then enter this range D5 to D24, then press enter and it will be find sum in D25. Okay, you can see, then press enter. Okay, it will be fine. Now is equal to sum, then press and then enter a range E4 to E25, E5 to E25. Okay, then press enter. It will be find sum here. Okay, this question is completed. Now you can see here, ungroup the worksheet. Okay, ungroups the worksheet. Right click on this and ungroup worksheet. Okay, worksheet will be ungrouped. I have done 3 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that on the week worksheet in cell A5, insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Monday worksheet with the screen tape text Monday's total test hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. On the week worksheet in cell A5, okay, week worksheet, click on week worksheets, click on cell A5 and then insert a hyperlink cell A5 and right click on this link, click on link and then paste in this document. Okay, to cell A25 in the Monday worksheet with the screen tape text Monday's totals. Okay, to cell A25, cell tab of cell reference is 25, Monday worksheet. Okay, screen tape is Monday's total. Screen tape is Monday's total. Screen tip is Monday total. Okay, then okay. Again okay. Link will be generated. Okay, I have done this. Test the hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. Test the hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. Okay, click on cell A5. Okay, and it will be show its work correctly. It will be go to Monday worksheet. Okay, I have done this question. I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that in cell A6 on the week worksheet, insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Tuesday worksheet with the screen tip text Tuesday totals. Test the hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. Click on cell A6 and then insert hyperlink. Right click on this, click on link. Okay, cell reference is 25. Is Tuesday worksheet. Screen tip is Tuesday's total. Tuesday's total is screen tip text. Okay, screen tip text is Tuesday's total. Okay, then okay, click again okay, and link will be generated. Test the hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. Okay, test the hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. Click on Tuesday and it will be go on Tuesday worksheet. Okay, it's worked correctly. You can see here. I have done this question. I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that in cell A7 insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Wednesday worksheet with the screen tip text Wednesday total. Okay, right click on this, insert a link, cell reference A25 and then click on Wednesday worksheet. Then screen tip is Wednesday's total. Screen tip text is Wednesday's total. Okay, then again okay, then you can check ensure that work correctly. Test the hyperlink to ensure it's work correctly. Click on A7 and it will move on Wednesday worksheet. Click on A7. Okay, it will be Wednesday worksheet. It's worked correctly. You can see here. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Now moving on to question number 7. Question number 7 is that in cell A8 insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Tuesday worksheet with the screen tip text Tuesday's total. Okay, click on cell A8, go to Excel workbook, right click on this, insert a link. Okay, then cell reference is 25 and Thursday worksheet. Okay, screen tip is that Thursday's total. Screen tip is that Thursday's total. Okay, and click again okay. Now to test the hyperlink to ensure it's worked correctly, click on 8. Okay, it will move on Thursday worksheet. It will be worked correctly. Okay, you can see here. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. 7 questions completed now. Now moving on question number 8. Question number 8 is that in cell A9 insert a hyperlink to cell A25 in the Friday worksheet with the screen tips text Friday's total. Test the hyperlink to ensure it's worked correctly. Okay, right click on a cell A9. Okay, click on link. Then cell reference is A25 and Friday worksheet. And click on Friday worksheet and screen tips is Friday's total. Screen tip text. Okay, copy this and paste in screen tip text. Okay, then click again okay, it's done. To test the hyperlink to ensure it's worked correctly, okay, click on cell A9 and it will move on Friday worksheet. Click on cell A9 and it will be move on Friday worksheet. It's mean it worked correctly. I have done this question. You can see here I have done 8 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that in cell B5 on the weak worksheet, insert a formula with 3D references to cell B25 in the Mondays worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C5 to E25. Okay, go to cell B5 on weak worksheet. B5 on weak worksheet. Insert a formula with 3D references to the B25 in the Monday worksheet. Is equal to go to Monday worksheet and click on cell B25. Cell B25, okay, it will, and then press enter. It will be shown value. Okay, copy the formula to the range E5 C5 to E5. Copy the formula to range C5 to E5. E5 to, okay, E5 to C5 to E5. Okay, it's done. Okay, I have done this question. You can see here I have done 9 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 10. Question number 10 is that in cell B6 insert a formula with 3D references to the cell B25 in the Tuesday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C5 to E6. Okay, is equal to go to Tuesday worksheet and click on cell B25, then press enter. It will be shown value. Copy the formula to range C6 to E6. Okay, copy the formula C6 to E6. Okay, I have done this. You can see here. Now I have done 10 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 11. Question number 11 is that in cell B7 insert a formula with 3D references to the cell B25 in the Wednesday worksheet. Copy the formula to range is C7 to E7. Basically this we will have enter a 3D reference formula in cell B7, 3D of Wednesday worksheet. Okay, click on B7. Okay, then go to Wednesday worksheet and click on B25. Then press enter. Okay, it will be shown. 3D formula is entered. Copy the formula to range is C7 to E7. Okay, C7 to E7. Okay, done. I have done this question. You can see here I have done 11 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 12. Question number 12 is that in cell B8 insert a formula with 3D references to the cell B25 in the Thursday worksheet. Copy the formula to the range C8 to E8. Okay, click on here B8, then B25 on Thursday worksheet. 3D reference of B25 on Thursday worksheet. Okay, where value will be shown, and copy the formula to range C8 to E8. Okay, I have done this question. I have done 12 questions of this assignment. 12 question is completed now. Now moving on question number 13. Question number 13 is that in cell B9 insert a formula with 3D reference to the cell B25 in the Friday worksheet. Click on cell B9 and then enter a 3D reference of Friday worksheet B25 is equal to, then go to Friday worksheet, click on B25 and then press enter. Then value will be shown here. Okay, copy the formula to the range C9 to E9. Copy the formula to the range C9 to E9. Okay, I have done this question. You can see here its value will be shown here. I have done 13 questions of this assignment. Total question of this assignment is many more, and I have done 13 questions of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my PC screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. WhatsApp and email both are given in description. I will provide you A plus grade in your complete course. I can do all courses, accounting, finance, math and many more. Excel, Word, PowerPoint and research. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.